This is very you.
Me?
Yep. I often call you Sergeant Pepper.
I do like a bit of pepper. Black pepper's good.
Feels like
I've been getting back
feels like
onto
we're
it.
on a yellow submarine sometimes, doesn't it?
What did you say? What
yellow-
colour did you say?
A yellow submarine. Isn't that what they sing about?
Oh, apparently.
I don't know much about the Beatles.
That's right.
And they're working 8 days a week or some crap.
Have they?
Oh,
8
some
days?
rubbish. They wouldn't do it. That's
a bit rough, isn't it?
Tell HR to call them.
That's right. HR, they're working too hard.
That's right. 8 days a week. Now they're making the rules.
Look at that. This is a new
Imagine what
Beatles.
the modern payroll would do with 8 days a week.
Where's my ruler?
The bookkeeper would have a fit.
Well, what are we going to do with that?
I've worked 8 days this
A
week.
spreadsheet. Doesn't have enough days on it.
What have you got there?
I'm going to open this up carefully.
Oh, look, you got the BJ flap trick. I've seen you open lots of things with that. Look,
Have you?
the BJ flap trick.
There you go.
Most
That's how you
people-
don't.
Cricketers call it a hat trick, but
So you don't
you do
damage the box.
no, you open the flaps very gently.
That's right. You have to be.
What's wrong? You're like entertained.
That's a bit tight.
You didn't open the flaps enough.
Hang about.
You,
All right. I'm going to open this side too,
you put on
just
a,
to be
you
sure.
put on a display of opening a box, and then we're going to tear it in half.
Why is it so tight?
There'll be a train on the floor. Hey, the foamers will be ready.
Oh no! Oh, it's popping out now.
Thunder Turbine will be having
Here
a
it
fit.
goes. Here it goes. It's coming. All right.
I think young Giraffe was going to put his name on this one.
Oh, look at that. So it's got a certificate of authenticity, and this is number 788
I don't believe
of
it.
1,000
I don't believe it.
in this shop.
Go to those, mate.
No. 1,000 is worldwide.
Oh, I was going to say not in this shop.
So you want to show that?
Surely we don't have that much going on.
There you go. 788 of 1,000.
I wonder how many 788s there are. Do you reckon they're shifty? What else you got? What's in the box?
Let's crack it.
What's in the box?
Oh, it's taped.
It's very.
Oh, look at this. I found a method.
It's very environmentally responsible, isn't it?
I think I found a method. Maybe I didn't.
Jesus. You need to
Mate, this is good TV, isn't it?
Hey, this is harder. This is harder.
Oh, look at this.
than-
Yeah, I worked it out.
This is harder than quantum
Look at
physics.
that. Look at that. Let's go to the top. Go to the top. What have we got here?
You tell me.
I'm just trying to focus it first. Here we go. Here's
What
the
have you got?
loco.
What have you got?
The loco. Oh, he's all wrapped up.
Because the Beatles were in the 60s, right?
There you go.
That loco wouldn't have been
I won't
in
take the
60s.
plastics off it because it's a limited edition. We won't put my fingerprints on it.
Well, you might rub Ringo's head off.
Well, Ringo's right there
How can you tell?
because he looks like Ringo,
That says that.
and
actually.
it's written there too, Ringo Starr.
Yep.
And then you've got these. What's that?
I'm not sure.
It's the Beatles hits.
Is
Okay,
it?
so these are all albums, aren't they?
Are they?
Oops, we're back to that. There's another one.
Long Tall Sally. Is that an album?
Twist and Shout.
I've heard
so
that
they
song.
look like albums, don't they?
So what is it?
This
From
is called the
Hornby?
Liverpool Connection. So this is a memorial or limited edition Beatles arrangement. I mean, they have released all these individual.
But what has Beatles
Carriages?
got to do with trains?
Probably absolutely nothing. But it's cool, isn't it?
I suppose. If you like to model English countryside in the 60s, maybe they listen to Beatles in the
I
background.
think that's pretty special. So these are very, very rare.
I don't know.
So let's pop that back here.
I'm saying Giraffe. Giraffe, come and buy this, mate.
Yep. It's got his name all
It's got his name-
over
well,
it.
it says Beatles, but I don't think he likes Beatles.
No? Why?
I wouldn't. Creepy crawly. How's the bloody crickets? Crickets are good.
What cricket?
The crickets. No,
At
not,
the MCG?
no, not the Syrian cricket. The little
The-
jumping
the-
crickets.
The ones that make sounds?
Yes,
Yeah. No, they've all calmed down now, haven't they?
they have.
There's no more sounds. There has been an influx of crickets in Melbourne.
Here you go.
And why is that? I don't know. But they've been living here.
Hornby Beatles train that just came in today, yesterday.
Hmm.
Very exciting.
There you go.
Car of the week.